Hey, Michigan Hardwood Restoration. It's Dave Falsetta with Allied Marketing. Here is your customized video. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to improve your online presence, drive more traffic to your website. We're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'm going to include my contact info in case you have a question about what I said or what you saw. And so, with no further ado, let's talk about content. Typically, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. Just depends on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords throughout it to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. And so let's take a quick look at your website. And pictures are considered content, so let's see how you save this picture right here. Looks like you did a good job. Floor, Michigan Hardwood Restoration, Lansing, so that's good. It's got all the good info in there. Check this one. So there's nothing in these. Each one of these pictures, you could add some metadata to it, keywords, and you could get found for that. So when people are searching for you, um, you want them to be able to find you. And so then you've got your contact us down here. I like that. You got a phone number, real good. I like the contact stuff up front here, a little box up here, so they don't have to struggle to find it. And if they're looking for you to do their stuff, let's put a phone number up here where they can see it and call you right away. I mean, it's nice to have the pictures and everything, but really, you want to get them. You want your phone to ring, and so um, that's just what that's what I like, you know. And so the next thing we want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks anywhere you find a website, excuse me, one website linking to another by way of a clickable hyperlink text. Excuse me. These links, they act like an endorsement of your site from another. And so when Google sees this endorsement where other websites allow you to put your link on their site, they say, well, if they trust you, then we can trust you. And the more endorsements they see out there with your link on, the more trust it builds. One thing you want to keep in mind is that not all links are created equal. They should be relevant to your industry, and the local ones work the best. And let's take a quick look here. Michigan Hardwood Restoration, that's you. And so you don't have any UR data and you don't have any DR. So this is trust and this is power. You have no backlinks or referring domains. You have one organic keyword and you're getting no traffic to your site. Um, it tells me you need help. And if you, it's like having your website's kind of like having a billboard on a desert island. You know, no one is seeing it, and so there's things we can do. Um, and that's why Google says 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and there's a couple reasons for that. One reason is when they see that much, then they figure that you're an authority in your industry, and they will start to rank you ahead of all the other sites that do the type of work you do. And number two, the more content you have, the more keywords you can put in there. And so the idea is, I mean, people, if they know Michigan Hardwood Restoration, they don't need a website to get a hold of you. They just get a hold of you. Or if they don't know your number, they can look you up by Michigan Hardwood Restoration and get your number that way. But you want people that don't know you to get a hold of you. And so when they look for your type of service, they search a certain way, and Google knows how many times a month they search in all these different ways. And we can find out what that is and put that together for you. And we can pretty much predict how much traffic we can send to your website. And so then if they call you, the sale's up to you, of course, but we can get your phone to ring. That wouldn't be a problem. And so um, let's take a look here. This is McDowell's. So McDowell's, they've got 17 domains, 42 backlinks. If you wanted to, you could come in here and you could take all their backlinks that they have. It's right here. You could click on these, go set up an account with them. After you've set up your account with them, you can post on their website. You would leave a comment, and then after you left a comment, you would ask for a link, and that's it. And then you would have that link, and you could come through here and get all theirs, and then add some more to yours. And when you do that, then you're going to start to dominate them in that area. And in the same with Beckner over here. Um, that's theirs. You could come and get theirs, add those to yours, and you could start to dominate those guys. So now I did a search for hardwood installation and refinishing Lansing, Michigan hardwood restoration, and that's you guys, right? So you're in the number one spot up here, and that's because you have more citations than they do. You don't have more content, you don't have more backlinks, but you have more citations. And so then you might say, well, what the heck's a citation? Well, a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And they help you to rank in the map pack here. And once you start ranking in here, it's a good source. It could be a huge source of revenue for your company, and so it's kind of important to be found in there. And really, citations are directories that like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, like you see right there at the top, and social media too. Anywhere you can put your name, address, and phone number, just like you have it in your Google business profile. And so then once your content, backlinks, and citations all come together and you start to outgrow your competition, then you'll start to rank. This is the organic section. You'll start to rank down in here. Um, and I'm just not seeing you in there. Uh, and so I would just recommend that, that you work on those areas. And this is my contact info. If you have questions about how to do something, I'm happy to answer those questions. If you're too busy to do it yourself, but yet you want to have a greater presence online, you want to get some mileage out of your website, you want people to find you, I can help you with that. That's my email address, seolansing@gmail.com. You can call me. That's my cell number. You can text me, and I hope you reach out to me. And I want to thank you for watching.